Welcome to another episode of Rattle Can Restoration. As you can see, that transfer case is done, and I picked up another one for a couple $100, which was a good deal. And I'm preparing to take it apart. It's out of a 72, so I've got that, and I've finished the front assembly. The adapter is done. It was completely rusted in, so I ordered some new bearings, and I'm just getting ready to take the housing off. And I got my diesel parts cleaner. Stuff works great, by the way. And then after I'm done with that, I use acetone to clean all the diesel off, and then I give it a spurt of the old power lube, make sure it's all nice and lubricated. So anyway, did have a little bit of water in her, not bad, but just enough to, actually it was frozen, most of it, which was really weird. But well, I shouldn't say really weird. I should rephrase that. Not weird, it's just what it was. So the water had frozen. So anyway, I'm going to pull this apart and I'll get back to you.